Good evening to everyone. Happy 72nd birthday, Mare. Even though we're far apart, our friendship remained the same. We still keep in touch. Mare, you're still the same person I've always known. Only now, you become even kinder and more caring towards everyone. We've been friends for 55 years. We're truly sorry we can't be there to celebrate your 72nd birthday. But please imagine us there with you. And remember, 72, it's just a number. We love you dearly. Wishing you in good health, more blessing to come. Enjoy your day. See you soon. Stay safe and God bless.
Mare, magandang gabi sa'yo. Happy birthday. At pati na rin ang mga kamag-anak, bisita ngayong gabi na makakasama mo sa pag-celebrate ng iyong birthday. Shout out sa lahat ng nanonood, alam ko, sa Facebook Live. Maraming nagpe-Facebook Live dyan. Sa maraming salamat sa media at maraming nakakita na maging witness ng kasayahan mo ngayong gabi. Wish namin ni Kumari mong Rose, sana hahaba pang buhay mo. More blessings. At siyempre, alam mo na, marami pang candle na ibublow sa buhay mo. Ayun lang. At alam mo yan, mahal na mahal ka namin ni Kumaring Rose. Happy birthday, Kumari. Happy birthday to you.
We love you.
We love you,
Mama Chup Chup.
Mama. Happy birthday.